Friends, if your any work related to any department is not being done by any department staff or any workers, then you can easily file a complaint to your collector about this. So friends, in this video you are going to know that how you can register a complaint to your collector about any department staff or a workers. So let's start. There is a link given in the video description part. Whenever you will click on the link, one Word file will be downloaded, and when you will open the same downloaded Word file, this format will be open in front of you. This is the format of complaint letter to the collector. I have given a link in the description part. From that link you can download this format. Here you will write to the district collector, District Katni MP. As per your requirement, you can replace here district name and state name, because I am a permanent resident of Madhya Pradesh state under the Katni district. That's why I have mentioned here District Katni MP. You can replace this as per your requirement. After that, you should write here Rajkumar Sahu. This is the name of applicant. Here you will write applicant name, applicant father name, applicant age, and applicant permanent resident. For example, I have mentioned here Rajkumar Sahu, son of Munnu Sahu, age about 35 years, permanent resident of ward number 4, Vizaraugad district, Katni MP. For example, I have mentioned here, you can write here real applicant name and the father name of the applicant and the age of applicant. After that, you should write here permanent address of the applicant. In the verses part, you should mention that person against the complaint will be registered. That means a complaint will be registered against that person. Those person name you should mention here. For example, I have mentioned here Raju Srivastava, present chief municipal officer, Nagar Parishad, Vizaraugad district, Katni MP. That is the defendant. You should write here defendant name, defendant address, and defendant age. You can also mention here defendant age. If you don't know the age of defendant, then no need to mention defendant age here, but it is mandatory to mention age applicants and the father name of the applicants. After that, you should write subject. Whatever complaint you have, whatever subject you have, those subject you will mention here. For example, I have mentioned here a complaint against Chief Municipal Officer Vizaraugad for not providing demanded information related to Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana list under the Act of Right to Information 2005, that the applicants want all eligible candidate list of the Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana under the Right to Information Act 2005 from the CMO of the Nagar Parishad, but this information is not provided by them. That's why this complaint will be registered against them. So you can mention here as per your requirement subject. You can mention here respected sir. After that, you should write here respected sir, applicant do request with following statement. Now from here to last here, you should write your complaint, whatever you want to complain, whatever you want to register complaint against the defendant. That point you should mention here. For example, I have written here that the applicant having permanent resident of the above given address. That address you have given here, you are the permanent resident of this address. After that, second point, you should write here that the applicant was applied an application for Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana under the municipal of Vizaraugad sub district, Vizaraugad district, Katni MP. That means applicant was applied for the Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana in the Vizaraugad Nagar Parishad, and you can mention here your problem, whatever you have problem, whatever you have complained, that you should mention here. This is a format for the example, not for real. Third, you should write here that the Chief Municipal Officer of the Nagar Parishad Vizaraugad written ineligible in the applicant's application. Instead of applicant belong under the Garibi Rekha. That means applicant is a poor person which is satisfy all the condition of the Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana. Instead of this situation, applicant is not eligible for the Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana. That is according to Chief Municipal Officer Vizaraugad. That's point I have mentioned here. Fourth, you should write that the information about all eligible peoples for the Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana and a list of all eligible beneficiaries was wanted by the applicant under the Right to Information Act 2005 from CMO Vizaraugad, but the Chief Municipal Officer Vizaraugad avoided this and refused to provide list of all eligible beneficiaries. That means when application of the applicant got rejected by the CMO of Vijay Raghav Nagar Parishad, then applicant wanted all information about the eligible candidates, but CMO of Vijay Raghav is not ready to provide any information about the eligible candidate. That's why he complained against the chief municipal officer of Bijragogad. That's point I have mentioned here. Whatever problem you have, you can easily mention those problem here, not for same problem, every problem you can mention here. Fifth point you should write here that the applicant live below poverty line, even applicant does not have any piece of land of his right, and the present status of applicant complies with the all condition of the Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana. Applicant is eligible for PM accommodation. That's why applicant presenting this application before the respected show that he can also get the benefit of Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana. You should mention here this point, that means why you are registered this to the collector. That point you should mention here. For example, I have mentioned here that the applicant is eligible for Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana, but Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana benefit is not provided by the chief municipal officer to the applicant. That's why the applicant want to register a complaint. Easily you can mention here your point. After that, you should leave here some prayer. For example, I have written here, so that the applicant requested to the respected that please pity applicant for the benefit of Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana and also provide a list of all eligible beneficiaries of Bijragogad Nagar Parishad to the applicant. After that, you should write here place and the date of registering this complaint. Place you will return same place, whatever place you will write here, those place you should write here. Applicant signature will be mentioned here. 2 copy of this format you should print, first copy for the complaint register and the second for the receiving. After that, you can register this complaint via post, via face to face, whatever flexibility you have, you can register this complaint according to your flexibility. Via post you can also register a complaint.
Friends, this was today's video. If you like this video, then please subscribe this YouTube channel, share this video and hit the notification icon to enable notification so you will never miss any latest update. Thanks friends, we will meet in next video.